It's Clint here with ScanDecor, and today I'll be covering how to leave your laminator when not in use. So with this machine, it's spring tension, so you can obviously gap your rollers here. You can open them when you're running poster board or thicker material to allow it to go through. Now when laminating, for example, paper, you can tighten up on the side here and bring the rollers together to have a nice smooth finish. Now when the machine is not in use, you're going to want to bring it to the position here where there is no pressure on it, where it feels most natural for this lever to go in. Now the benefit of this and the reason we do this is if you leave your machine for a longer period of time with, let's say, the rollers down and touching or in any position downward, they're going to cause a flat spot in the roller over time, which is going to cause a marking all throughout when you try and run stock. Now with the other position, if you're going to leave it up or down, it's going to cause that extra pressure on the spring, causing it to weaken over time, which doesn't give you that nice pressure you're always wanting to when, example, you're wanting to run those thinner stocks and you're needing the most pressure possible. Thank you.